Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, chicken stir-fried with cashew nuts, a wonderful combination of soft, sweet chicken, fresh, crunchy vegetables and fatty, fragrant cashew nuts. How to make prepare ingredients chicken including breast and thigh 400 g, cashew nuts 100 g, red and yellow bell peppers 2 fruits, 1/2 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a few green onions, 2 fresh chili peppers, cornstarch 1 teaspoon, pepper, sugar, seasoning powder, cooking oil, sesame oil according to taste. Steps: wash the chicken, drain, cut into bite-sized squares. Put the chicken in a bowl, marinate with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, a little pepper and mix well. Let the chicken absorb the spices for about 15 minutes. Put the cashews in a pan and stir-fry until golden brown and crispy, then remove. Wash the bell peppers and onions, cut into bite-sized pieces. Mince the garlic, cut the green onions into pieces. Stir-fry the chicken, heat the pan with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add the chicken and stir-fry quickly over high heat until the chicken is firm and almost cooked through, about 3 minutes. Remove the chicken to a plate. Add the onions and bell peppers to the pan and stir-fry quickly over high heat for about 2 minutes so that the vegetables are cooked through but still retain their crispiness. Return the stir-fried chicken to the pan. Season directly with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and seasoning powder to taste. Stir quickly so that the chicken and vegetables are evenly seasoned. Finally, add the roasted cashews and green onions, stir-fry for about 30 seconds, then turn off the heat. Serve and enjoy. Pick up the chicken and stir-fry with cashews and place on a plate. Sprinkle some ground pepper and the remaining cashews on top for decoration. The dish will have eye-catching colors from green, red, yellow bell peppers, golden brown chicken and fatty cashews. Enjoy. This dish should be eaten hot, best served with white rice. The rich salty sweet taste of chicken and sauce combined with the fatty taste of cashews creates an extremely attractive dish, stimulating the taste buds. Things to note: you should choose chicken breast or boneless chicken thighs because when stir-fried, the meat will be soft and not tough. Marinate chicken. Add cornstarch when marinating chicken to help the chicken become soft, juicy and create a light consistency for the sauce when stir-fried. Cashews. You should add cashews last and stir quickly, then turn off the stove to keep the cashews crispy. Stir-fry vegetables. You should stir-fry vegetables over high heat and stir-fry quickly for about 2 minutes so that the vegetables are just cooked, keeping their fresh color and delicious crispness. Cashew chicken stir-fry is a dish originating from Chinese cuisine but has become popular and widely loved in many places, especially in Vietnamese families. This dish stands out for its rich flavor, a harmony between the sweetness of chicken, a little crispy aroma of vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and the highlight is the characteristic fatty taste of roasted cashews. This is a stir-fry dish that is quick, easy to make, and ensures adequate nutrition, often served hot with white rice. Wish you success and have a delicious meal with cashew chicken stir-fry. Do you want to learn more about any other dishes? Our video ends here. Thank you and see you again in the next episodes with many special recipes.